I was tired of the inaccuracy of ketone urine strips, so I picked up this ketone breath analyzer, and I must say I am impressed. It comes with a nice carrying case and a charger and extra mouthpieces as well. It's really easy to use. You just press the start button, and the meter will cue you as to what to do next, how long to blow, and everything else. I find that this is really easy and really accurate for monitoring my ketosis results. I recommend this ketone meter 100%.